Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this channel. For today's video tutorial, I'm gonna teach you how to fix white desktop like this. Okay, so let's start. First is you need to locate your cursor here in the Windows icon and then do a right click and then go to run. Click that, and once you are here in this new window, just simply type app data. Okay, so once done, just click on OK, and then once you are being redirected to the app data, you need to select local between local and localo. But if in your case you don't see any, just simply click on view icon here and then click on show and then go to hidden items. Make sure that this hidden items is marked checked. Okay? So after that, you need to mark this and do a right click, any of these two, and then go to delete. Okay, so after that, we will proceed to the next step, which is to locate our task manager. Just have to locate your cursor here in the Windows icon, do a right click, and then scroll up to task manager. Okay, let me expand this first. So once you open your task manager, the next thing you need to do is you need to find your Windows Explorer. As you can see, it has this here in my screen. Do a right click and then click on restart. But if in case you don't see any, just have to scroll down and search for Windows processes. So if you in your case you see Windows processes instead of Windows Explorer like mine, just have to do a right click again and then select restart. Okay? So those are the steps that you need to do in order to fix white desktop. Okay? So hopefully this video helps. If yes, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button to be updated into our upcoming videos. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.